What do you see?
My cheek is sweaty. I swear I'm not chewing anything.
I have sleepy eyes. I'm sure I'm not that sleepy.
Zero flat. They said. I swear I'm not gloomy.
Hey, you think I eat much? I swear, I only do half meals a day.
Stop. Look closer.
Why don't we start over? You look gorgeous in your size.
Thank you. Your velvety eyes make me once more.
Thank you. Your fluffy cheek is adorable.
Thank you. You look fine and healthy. Wait, did we miss something?
Yes.
Gara.
Some say she is as tiny as Thumbelina.
Yet, her power is bigger than her frame.
See? Why don't we just stop this? Please, know yourself better.
Stop underestimating yourself.
We are not all the same.
God must be creative.
Do you know that most women in Korea do plastic surgery?
And
Many athletes decide to take steroids.
You are beautiful, we are beautiful, I am beautiful.
Our strength comes from
within.
Be creative. Do you know that teenagers are now obsessed with diet? You are beautiful.